We've done Gen 3. We've done Gen 4. And now, we're doing Gen 2. My name is Davison. Welcome back to another video. Do you like that new intro? Anyways, I have finally managed to find a Gen 2 version of the Train On starter kit. Obviously, we've done Gen 3 and 4, so now it is time for the Gen 2. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. And I might try to find Gen 1 and Gen 5 and Gen 6 and Gen 7 and Gen 8 kits of this to see if they actually exist. But without further ado, let's get on into the very first pack in this. Well, I actually need to open this up first, so obviously, I don't know why I said let's get into the very first pack. Anyways, we've got the 3 Gen 2 starters, obviously, for these big promos. These are really old-fashioned cards. We got Chikorita, we got Totodile, and we've got Cyndaquil, my personal favorite right here. Cyndaquil is awesome. I generally like Fire-type starters the best. And then inside we've got our 2 packs, which are Sword and Shield Evolving Skies. So they put Evolving Skies packs in these now. I think, as always, what we usually do is start with the older set. So I think that's what we're going to do today. And let's get off with the Sword and Shield. Anyways, let's hope that's right. It's been a while since I've done a Pokemon card opening. But anyways, here we have a Snom Gen 8 Pokemon, a Munna, a Galarian Zigzagoon, a Sizzlipede, we have a Grass Energy, a Galarian Linoone, a Great Ball, a Hitmonchan, a Chinchou, a Reverse Holo Pikachu, and a Holo Rhyperior. This thing is so cool looking. I know on camera it doesn't look as good, especially holo cards. But seriously, in real life, this thing looks awesome. I love the little holo effect on this. This is really cool, actually. I don't remember other Sword and Shield holos having this effect on it. Anyways, let's go and move on to the next pack, which is Evolving Skies. Alright, here we are. So we have a Zora, a Krogonal, a Petlo, a Bergmite. That used to be one of my favorite Pokemon. I can't believe I forgot it. Fighting Energy, a Copycat, a Ice Cube. This is a Gen 8 Pokemon. This is a really cool Gen 8 Pokemon. It's really creative. We have a Scroll of the Flying Dragon. There's 5 words in that. Rapid Strike Scroll of the Flying Dragon. So there's 7 words in that card title. Okay. We have a Drowsy, we have a Love Disc, and a Gourgeist non-holo. Okay, that's not very exciting. Anyways, if you guys did enjoy this video, then make sure to like and subscribe, and I will look for more generations of these. Obviously, like I said, I've done 1 Gen 4 one and 2 Gen 3s, and now we've done a Gen 2. But I will try to find some more in the future, and yeah, goodbye.